presenting a pre-owned 2008 Cadillac Escalade. (2008) Cadillac Escalade, power, luxury, presence. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine with all-wheel drive and a 6-speed shiftable transmission. This Cadillac has less than 110,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 12 miles per gallon in the city and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Check out this beast, the 2008 Cadillac Escalade. Packing a 6.2L V8 with 403 horsepower and 417 lb-ft of torque, it delivers serious power. Finished in sleek black raven with a luxurious ebony leather interior, this Caddy turns heads everywhere it goes. Loaded with premium features, heated seats, top-notch sound system, and more, it blends muscle with luxury. With under 110K miles, less than 7K/year, it's been gently driven and has plenty of life left. Fuel economy comes in at 12 city/18 highway. Power and efficiency in one package. Best of all, it's a one-owner SUV with a clean Carfax, so you can buy with confidence. In excellent condition and built to impress, this Escalade is ready for its next chapter. Don't miss out. Drive it home today and own the road. Key features include satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.